Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to charge your BeHear Access headset. Please note that you will not be able to use your headset while it is charging. Before first use, we recommend that you fully charge the battery. Your BeHear's battery discharge time depends on how you use it. When using the hearing amplification only, a full charge can last approximately 13 hours. Using other features such as music play and/or phone calls via Bluetooth will discharge the battery sooner. BeHear's battery is located in the headset's neckband. The most convenient way to charge the headset is with the cradle, but you can also charge the headset using only the USB cable connected directly to the neckband if the cradle is not with you. There are two ways to charge BeHear, either using an AC outlet or using a computer's USB port. To charge using an AC outlet, first plug the larger end of the cable into a standard USB adapter. To charge using a computer, plug the larger end of the cable into the computer's USB port. Then plug the cable's smaller end into the micro USB port located in the BeHear Access charging cradle, or directly into the neckband if the cradle is not available. We recommend keeping this cradle attached so that whenever you want to drop the headset in for charging, you can. Set the BeHear headset into the charging cradle with both the logo of the charging cradle and the headset logo facing you. The internal magnet will place the headset into the correct position. The unit will vibrate and the LED will turn red to indicate a successful connection. As long as the headset is charging, the light will be red. When the unit is fully charged, the light will turn to a steady green. A full charge takes approximately 2.5 hours. We recommend powering off the device when not in use to save battery. Do this by pressing on the power button for about 2.5 seconds. The light will turn blue for a moment and then shut off. The unit will vibrate to indicate a successful shutdown. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.